The rising groundwater levels, coupled with the potential spread of toxic pollution, pose significant environmental challenges for U.S. coastlines. Groundwater contamination occurs when pollutants seep into the underground water sources, making it a potential threat to coastal regions where groundwater often discharges into the ocean or other bodies of water. Several factors contribute to the rising groundwater levels, including increased rainfall, sea level rise, and inadequate drainage infrastructure. As groundwater levels rise, contaminants present in the subsurface, such as heavy metals, pesticides, fertilizers, industrial chemicals, and petroleum products, can be mobilized and transported towards the coast. Once these pollutants reach the coastal areas, they can have severe consequences for marine ecosystems, public health, and local economies. Toxic pollution can harm marine life, including fish, shellfish, and other aquatic organisms. It can also contaminate drinking water supplies, making them unsafe for human consumption. Addressing the issue of rising groundwater and toxic pollution requires a multifaceted approach. Here are some potential strategies that can be implemented. Improved monitoring and early warning systems, enhance monitoring of groundwater quality and levels to identify contamination hotspots and respond quickly to prevent further spread. Sustainable land use practices, promote responsible land use practices, such as reducing the use of fertilizers and pesticides, adopting organic farming methods, and implementing proper waste management techniques to minimize pollution sources. Upgrading infrastructure, invest in infrastructure upgrades to improve drainage systems, stormwater management, and wastewater treatment facilities to prevent pollutants from entering groundwater and coastal areas. Remediation and cleanup efforts, implement remediation techniques to treat and remove contaminants from affected areas. This may involve methods such as groundwater extraction and treatment, soil remediation, and the use of innovative technologies for pollutant removal. Public awareness and education, increase public awareness about the impacts of toxic pollution on coastal ecosystems and human health. Educate communities about sustainable practices and encourage citizen involvement in pollution prevention and monitoring initiatives. Collaboration and policy development, foster collaboration among government agencies, researchers, industries, and local communities to develop and enforce policies that address groundwater contamination and promote sustainable coastal management practices. It is crucial to prioritize these actions to mitigate the threats posed by rising groundwater and toxic pollution to U.S. coastlines. By taking proactive measures, we can protect our valuable coastal ecosystems, ensure the safety of our drinking water, and safeguard the well-being of both humans and marine life.